This is the new Insta360 One X2. It's got 5.7K video resolution, increased bitrate, and enhanced colors. We got better audio recording, longer battery life, which is increased by up to 55%, and it's waterproof up to 10 meters without a case. So I'm personally a big fan of 360 cameras, mainly because they give you results that your average mirrorless camera can't give you. So today we're gonna try out a few of those shots, some of the things that I have up here. I wanna see if they translate onto the screen, so let's go try it out. All right, so we're at our first location right now. My friend John is down here rigging up his bike, which we'll be using for the majority of the examples that you'll see in this video. But first things first, John, thoughts on the new camera?
I'm rigging up to my bike right now, and basically what I'm trying to get are some impossible shots of the bike, of me in situ riding it around. It's also got incredible stabilization on something so tiny. So this could replace a gimbal in your arsenal. I'm really excited to try it out.
Okay, so before I got this camera, I was kind of like browsing the Insta360 page, and there's this one effect that I've never tried personally that we're gonna try right now called the clone trail. So my hope is that we have the camera set up, we're gonna press record, then we're gonna use their app after we get the shot, but we're gonna have John walk up to the bike, and essentially it should just be like John walking, John putting his helmet on, John getting on the bike, and we should be able to see this like cool clone trail. All right, so we're gonna try one of the features that's built into the app called the lapse app. And essentially what this is gonna do is recreate the look of like an FPV drone, but all you're using is this camera on a pole. So essentially you walk for 3 minutes, or in this case, John is gonna set up on his motorcycle with the stick going out of his bag. He's gonna drive for like 3 to 5 minutes, and then it's gonna post-process, and then it's gonna look like an FPV drone. So let's see what that shot looks like after post-processing. Okay, so we're at our last location. We're gonna go test out one feature that is extremely important to me. Arguably one of the most important features that I'm most excited about in terms of this camera is the fact that it's now waterproof up to 10 meters. The previous cameras were not waterproof at all. As a surfer, as a traveler, as someone who spends a lot of time around water, having a camera that's waterproof means that I can actually get 360 content in the water. So this is like a huge win for me. This now means that this camera will live in my bag. What we're gonna do is we're actually gonna test this out right now. I wanna have a shot of it going up and then into the water and coming back out. Then we're gonna test how the camera reacts after being dunked into the water, as well as see what that shot looks like. She's still good. Literally been dunked in the water. Start recording again. Touchscreen still works. Display. Truthfully, that's huge for me. Stressed out? I literally saw you were like, that's Lucas in the back there, he's stressed. He doesn't like how I treat my gear sometimes, but there's this little like accessory piece that you can get. It's like a rubber cap that will protect the lenses so you don't damage them. And we all know camera bags are a bit of a dangerous place with metal and gear moving around and lugging them everywhere, so to have something like that will protect it. Now let's talk about the state of 360 cameras. I think this thing is amazing. It both takes the place of a 360 camera that gets you unique content, tells unique stories, but is also an action camera. You can get great POVs and ultra wides and all these things. So this kind of takes the place of 2 cameras. That's why this thing will now be my main camera when it comes to action sports and 360 content. I think these things are amazing filmmaking tools, and they're way different than a mirrorless or DSLR camera. The fact that you can get unique shots and angles and put this in weird places and get impossible style video clips is what makes this thing an essential filmmaking tool. So if you guys wanna learn more about the Insta360 One X2, links are below. Also a big shout out to John Simo for helping us in this week's video. If you wanna learn more about him and see more content like this, links are also in the description. And you know what time it is, ladies and gentlemen. ASMR outro time. Thanks guys for watching my 360 video. I really appreciate you so much. I'd like to invite you to come over for pizza night in the near future. Tell me what ingredients I should go and get. Do you like pineapple on your pizza? Are you one of those people? Or are you not one of those people? Let me know. If you guys like this video, please press like. It actually makes a difference, and I will both give you pineapple or no pineapple if you like this video. Subscribe and hit the bell to be notified for future videos, and we'll catch you guys in the next one. This was me telling you I want pizza. Okay, bye.